Peeling fruits and vegetables is one of those kitchen tasks that we all do, but let's be honest, it's not usually the most exciting part of cooking. But what if I told you that there are gadgets out there that could completely change how you feel about peeling? Today, we're diving into 10 peeling kitchen gadgets that are so innovative, they'll make you wonder how you ever lived without them. These tools are designed to save you time, reduce mess, and maybe even make peeling fun. Let's take a closer look at these game changers. First up is a gadget that's going to make corn lovers rejoice. This corn peeler not only peels your corn effortlessly but also comes with an attached storage container. That means no more kernels flying everywhere or making a mess on your countertop. Just glide the peeler along the cob, and watch as the kernels collect neatly in the container. It's quick, efficient, and perfect for summer barbecues or any time you're craving fresh corn. Next, let's talk about oranges. Peeling them can be a sticky, messy job, but not with the Tesco orange peeler. This little tool makes peeling oranges and other citrus fruits a breeze. Just score the peel with the blade and use the rounded edge to lift it off easily. No more sticky fingers or juice running down your hands. Plus, it's compact and easy to store, so you'll always have it on hand when you need it. Now, here's a gadget that's both fun and functional. The silicone finger grip peeler is designed to fit right on your finger, giving you precise control as you peel. It's perfect for small fruits and vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, or even mangoes. The silicone grip ensures that it won't slip, even if your hands are wet, making peeling safer and easier. It's a nifty little tool that's sure to become a kitchen favorite. Peeling kiwis can be tricky with their fuzzy skin and delicate fruit inside. This 2-in-1 kiwi peeling tool takes the hassle out of the process. One piece of this tool is designed to slice the kiwi in half, while the other scoops and peels the fruit in one smooth motion. It's simple, efficient, and ensures you get the most out of your kiwi with minimal waste. If you're looking for versatility, the Rotary vegetable peeler is a must-have. This peeler has 3 different blades: straight, julienne, and serrated, so you can tackle any peeling task with ease. Whether you're peeling potatoes, making zucchini noodles, or slicing carrots for a salad, this peeler has got you covered. The rotating blade design means you can switch between tasks without missing a beat. Peeling hard-boiled eggs is often more frustrating than it should be, but not with the Eggs Tractor egg peeler. This quirky gadget uses air pressure to pop the egg out of its shell in seconds. Just place the egg inside, press down, and watch as the shell is effortlessly removed. It's a fun and efficient way to peel eggs, especially if you're making deviled eggs or need to peel a lot of eggs quickly. For those who want to take the work out of peeling entirely, the automatic peeler is the way to go. This gadget can peel fruits and vegetables with just the push of a button. Simply place your apple, potato, or pear on the peeler, and let it do the work for you. It's perfect for people with arthritis or anyone who wants to save time in the kitchen. Plus, it's a great conversation piece. Garlic lovers, rejoice! The silicone garlic peeler is here to save you from the tedious task of peeling garlic cloves. Just pop the cloves into the silicone tube, roll it on your countertop, and the skins will come right off. It's quick, mess-free, and keeps your hands from smelling like garlic. It's a simple tool, but one that makes a big difference in your cooking prep. Shelling peas by hand can be a slow and tedious job, but the handy pea sheller speeds up the process. Just slide your peas through the sheller, and it will quickly separate the peas from their pods. It's a great tool for anyone who loves fresh peas but doesn't have the time to shell them by hand. It's efficient, easy to use, and a must-have for anyone who enjoys fresh vegetables. Last but not least, we have the Sharpener-style vegetable peeler. This unique gadget looks like a pencil sharpener but is designed for vegetables. Just insert your carrot, cucumber, or zucchini, and twist. The peeler will create thin, even slices perfect for salads, garnishes, or even veggie noodles. These 10 peeling gadgets are more than just tools. They're game changers that can make your kitchen routine faster, easier, and maybe even a little more fun. Which of these gadgets would you love to try out in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below.